Yeah, you can feel that thing rock, can't you?
Yeah. We're not gotta get the hang of it.
It's tricky at first, but this is how you get used to it, by messing with it.
Boy, it feels like you're going backwards up that hill.
You are going backwards up a hill. It's not a major hill, but it's enough. Now, if it's easier for you, you can line the you
Lining
can
it up with the mat.
well, you can line the house up with the tracks if that's easier for you, just to look straight forward. It's all up to you. What do you think, Pint? What do you think, Jerry?
Big rock.
Yeah, there's some rocks in here, that's for sure. That's how we find them.
I'm gonna let you do the finishing touches.
You're doing good. Nice job, hon. All right, so can you turn the house? Let's see you turn the house. There we go.
I wasn't quite sure how to do that.
I know, you haven't been told.
Boy, this sure beats a hard rate.
What's that?
Sure beats using the hard rate.
Yeah, this is definitely a lot easier than that. Then once this is flat, we can roll it out. Keeping the RPMs down so she doesn't get bounced around too much. I'm gonna get those rocks out of there. Hold on a second. What do you think, Pint? He's not used to Mom being on the machine. He's not used to Mom being on the machine. You guys running for it? What do you think? Good idea. Run for it. Oh, he's coming back to fight you. What's that? That's all right. Not gonna hurt anything. Now, when you head back, you can spin the house around and drive in the other direction. Just so you know.
I'm gonna do one more swipe
All right.
down here.
Hi, Jerry. Hey, Pin. Camera, you've seen these before.
I'm kind of happy with this.
Yeah. Nice job.
Not bad for a novice.
Well, I mean, that's the first time you've really been on the machine. Well, you want to try rolling it out? So just leave your blade all the way up.
Leave the blade up.
Yep, so bring your blade all the way up. Then you can bring your RPMs up, because we'll get you some more speed on here.
Here?
Yep, pull that right back to you. Now it's going to be the same kind of thing as you just throw the sticks all the way forward. There you go. It's less jerky if you just keep them there solid. Okay, so now to get yourself lined up, spin the house around. So turn yourself around. Other stick. All the way around. And then line yourself up solid with the tracks. Now they're going to be exactly opposite this time. So just pull them toward you. There you go.
I wasn't expecting.
Yep. Then when you get to the end of the run, you spin the house around. Nope, other stick. Line it back up with your tracks again. And then forward now. What's that?
You make this look easy.
Well, I've been driving him for a little while. You're doing good, though. I mean, you really haven't messed with this thing at all. So basically, the controls always go with the tracks. So the blade's your front end, no matter which direction you were pointed in. What do you think? That is the look. That's the look of concern. Have I ever seen it before in my life? Yikes. Jerry looks super concerned.
What's my mom doing?
So what you do is you always keep them together, and then if it feels like you need to turn a little bit, just let up on one. Don't let up on both. There you go. A little too much on one. It's easier to do when you're going forward. That's for sure. You're doing good. All right, bring your throttle down. There you go. All right, wait a minute. Turn the house a little bit so you can see your track. You want to get it wide. Go ahead, turn it sideways, totally. All right, that's it. Now pull this thing up, all the way up, hard. That locks this stuff so nothing can happen. Now you can just step right down onto the track and hop out. Yeah, never on the piston, but good enough. That's why I said step on the track.
Okay.